Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 LDV V80 long wheelbase mid-roof van. Stock reference number 4557. This shape runs from the first month 2013 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has a few large dents and multiple small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived this vehicle. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls. Factory media player. Instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.